Introducing professional level whitening from Purean. Our expertly designed whitening kit provides everything you need to whiten your smile at home. Get the results of professional whitening without going to a dentist. The Purean Whitening Kit includes a Pro Plus LED light base, an easy-to-follow instruction manual, 2 advanced formula 35% carbamide peroxide whitening gel syringes, a universal fit, BPA-free mouth tray, and storage case. The Purean Whitening Kit is easy to use. Remove the clear plastic disc from below the batteries and reinsert them. Attach the universal fit mouth tray to the light side of the Pro Plus LED base. Brush, floss, and dry your teeth. Apply the advanced formula whitening gel to mouth tray. Place the tray firmly against your front teeth. Wear the product in place for up to 30 minutes. Remove the universal fit mouth tray and rinse your mouth with warm water. Boost whitening, lift stains, and fight germs instantly. Make your smile a few shades whiter in just 10 minutes with the Purean Whitening Kit.